Hello, my name is Jen Ramos, and I'm an abstract artist, entrepreneur, and children's book author based out of Virginia. You can find my artwork at jenramos.com. Today I'm excited to showcase my modern kitchen, and although it's not very spacious, it's unique and features a pass-through to my pantry that leads to the other side of my apartment, which I love. So what I appreciate the most about my kitchen is the soft closed drawers, its pristine white color. To be honest, the previous color was very, very dark before the demolition, and the new color has made such a difference. It's much more open and serene, and it just feels very spacious. And I love when me and my son have lunch on the island style peninsula. So working with form kitchens was so easy, and they were almost always readily available whenever there were any issues or challenges. Even though my kitchen wasn't the largest or most expensive project they've taken on, they still treated me like $1 million, and I really, truly appreciate that. During the beginning of the project, I saw the renderings and I got so emotional. It was like seeing your dream come to life. It was great. I highly recommend working with Form Kitchen.